All right, you guys, so here we are on the snack train, and I wanted to just jump on because a lot of us are eating rice, which is very good, and however you prepare your rice is up to your palate. But again, when we're talking about trying to improve how we eat foods, this is one tip that I would like to share with you today. So I love frozen vegetables. The idea is that you're getting vegetables down no matter what, fresh or frozen. Having them is what is important. And I'm going to be adding cauliflower. So I don't spend the money on cauliflower rice. I actually just mix in the cauliflower with my rice. And it's so yummy and simple. So check it out. And that way you're getting a little bit of everything. And what I like to do is just add a teeny bit of butter, which is just so good. This is sort of a trick to add butter, but something like that, not too much, just a nice cube of real butter, and you wait. So stay tuned, give it a try, let me know how it is. You're gonna love it. You can add seasoning to it. We got some onion powder, and we can also add salt, pepper. Enjoy.